Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a get ready with me. I want to do like a chatty sit down get ready with me video. I want to do one of these at least like 1 or maybe 2 a month because they always go down so well and I really enjoy filming them. And let's be honest, I don't really wear makeup apart from when I'm filming or if I'm like going out with my friends or anything. So I thought I might as well film it and get us another video for you guys, and it always goes down so well. They are my most popular video. They don't get loads of views, but the watch time goes through the roof when I upload one. So I definitely need to upload more because obviously something that you guys enjoy. So don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a little comment down below if you enjoyed this video. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is straightening my hair. I've put my straighteners on to heat up. And I think I might be doing a video on these soon, like a GHD straighteners like review, because they are so good. And I'm gonna like compare them to other straighteners that I've got. So if you've been here before and you know the first thing that I always do is straighten my hair, this is just because I think it kind of just starts off the look and kind of motivates me to actually work harder and to kind of put more effort in. So that is one of the things that I always make sure I do. So while I'm waiting for my straighteners to warm up, I'm going to apply some of this heat protectant spray. This is the Tresemme one and it's a Care and Protect spray. It's so good. I definitely recommend it. It just protects your hair from the heat. And I'm going to be using my paddle brush. It's actually my mum's one, but oh well. I really do swear by paddle brushes. They are my favourite brush in the entire world. I think they're so gentle on your hair and they're so silky and just makes it feel so soft as well. So yeah, I definitely invest in one if you don't already. You can get them for like £1 from Wilkinson's. They are so good. My get rid of me's always end up being so long as well. You don't want to put too much of this in your hair because then your hair will end up being wet when you're trying to straighten it, which isn't great. But I just like to put some in just to help protect it. And my straighteners are now ready, so I'm going to start straightening my hair now. Normally I'd segment my hair, so I'd like put it up in like 3 sections and then do my hair that way, but today I don't have time for that. And if it needs it, I'll just go over it again at the end of the video. So one thing that I like to do when I'm trying to get my hair to look nice and straight and have like nice volume in it will be to straighten my hair, leave it like fully cool down, and then to do this. So putting up like the top layer, but not all of it, just like the top little layer there. Putting up in a bubble for like an hour or so, letting it come back down, or like even half an hour will do, and then the volume in your hair looks so good. Like it makes your hair look so nice. So I definitely recommend doing that. I think it's just like one of the ultimate hair hacks. I cannot wait to get my hair done though. I cannot wait. It's been so long. My hair feels so damaged as well because I've been using so much heat on it recently and it just needs to be done. When I actually dyed my hair originally, it was like where my eyes are, a little bit above my eyes, it's like over here. And now the dye is like down here. It's so bad. It really needs doing. But I feel like I'm just not going to get an appointment at the moment. Plus I don't have the time with like all my assignments at the moment. I just don't have the time for it. And I've now got 20% on my phone. Could this filming get any better? I think the ends are one of the most important parts of your hair as well when you're straightening it. It's a tip that like my best friend gave me like in year 7. Right, so that will do for now. I may have to go over it again later on, we'll see. So I've got this new micellar combination anti-sensitive skin cleansing water. So I've never used this before, but I'm really excited. So I'm going to try it out now because I want to cleanse my face and kind of clean it off and moisturise it before I put any makeup on. The cotton pads that I'm using right now are from Wilkinson's, and they're the really weird ones. If you've seen my videos before, I think it was either a haul or a get ready with me. And I actually talked about these and I was saying how they're like the edges are like rock hard and it's really weird. So yeah, I think these are really strange. I'm still trying to look into getting those bamboo ones that are just like reusable, but they're really expensive as well. I'm just gonna wait till I go back to work before I get them, I think. My face is now positively cleansed. I'm gonna let it like dry for a minute first before I do anything else. So I'm gonna be using my Air Fit Pore Primer from Amazon, and it's actually a really good one. It's like, I think it was think it's about £7 for 2, and they're really good. I think they just make your makeup look a lot more flawless, and like I think it gives you a smoother base. I also really like the Revolution one, and there's a couple of others that I really liked at the moment, but currently I think this is the one that I'm going to go for. I think this is the best one for filming because it makes your face look like so much fish. Benji! So I think this is the best one for filming because it really does make your face kind of look a lot better on camera and a lot smoother, and your makeup look a lot nicer. So I'm just applying this all over my face. So strange because I normally look into like my phone. If in my camera I'd look into like the viewfinder on it, but because I'm filming on my iPhone 11 at the moment, I'm looking like straight into my own eyes. But right above you I've got a mirror, so I keep like flitting between the two because it's better lighting to look into the mirror. But then on the phone I kind of need to look into that for just general filming purposes. So I'm now going to move on to my foundation. I was going to use my tinted moisturiser foundation, but firstly I don't actually know where it is, and secondly I feel like I've used that in the last few videos, so I feel like it's going to be more interesting. I'm just using 1.5 pumps on my NARS foundation. This is one of my favourite ones, and it's in the shade M1 Punjab, I think. I might be wrong. And I'm using my beauty blender to apply this. I've currently had a lot of issues with my beauty blenders because my dog loves to steal them. So he's just got a weird thing about like beauty blenders and socks, and he keeps stealing them and like taking them all over the house and like hiding them. I don't know why, he just does. It's just like his thing. I still can't do a makeup challenge where I don't pull any faces because that's never going to happen. I've got till 5 o'clock to do this video when I need to take my dogs out, but I think it's like 5:10 already. Oops. Just use a little bit more, just get a bit better coverage. Because it's terrible lighting right now because I waited too late to film, so I currently can't really see what I'm doing. I'm also filming a daily vlog today, so that's the thing. So I'm now going to use this brush here, and it's a foundation and contour brush from Primark, and it's brush 101. It is absolutely amazing. I love it for blending. It was £1, and I definitely recommend investing in one if you don't already have one. I didn't used to be a massive Primark fan, but I've kind of recently discovered that you can get so many like really good steals from there. I feel like, I don't know what my lighting is doing, like I feel like it's really bright in here, but I feel like it could be too bright because I just can't really see what I'm doing in my phone. So I keep like looking up at the mirror, but then realising I kind of need to look into the phone if we're actually filming. So I'm just gonna get this all fully blended in. I need to start tanning soon as well. I really want to do a fake tan routine video because my how to remove fake tan video has gone down so well. It flopped when I first brought it out, but now I've had like 900 views in the last like 28 days. That's really good. I just keep like thinking I'm going to do it and then keep forgetting to do it, or I keep like forgetting to like exfoliate fully in the shower or whatever. I just keep forgetting, so I really need to do that. I look like a ghost right now. Why do I look so pale? We'll try put another light on maybe. Okay, so I put another light on. I think that's helped with the lighting a little bit. So I'm now going to go in with my concealer, and I'm just going to go straight in with it. I've never tried this one before, but I'm really excited to try it. It's the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and it does look really good, so I'm just going to try this one out now. I really like the applicator. It's really gentle, and it's actually really big as well. I've been wanting an applicator like this for a while because my applicator one that I've got is like so small, and it's really hard as well. Like it really hurts your eyes when you put it on. Also, I think it's a really good concealer too, because normally when I put concealer on, it like burns to put it on this side of my face, like underneath my eye. So I think this is actually quite good. Centre of my nose there, so it makes it more defined when I contour it. So I'm now using this blending brush here by Real Techniques. It doesn't actually say, oh no it does. So this is the Complexion Blender Brush. I got this recently from a car boot sale, and I got it for £3, which I thought was a really good deal. I got, I think, quite a few, about 5 or 6 Real Techniques ones, which was really good, because it's a really good brand and I love them. And I got some other ones as well that were like £1 each, which I thought was really good. I got some 50p as well. So I'm just gonna push this into my face using this brush. I've got some others, but I really want to wash them before I get them, because like a lot of them were packaged, like this one was packaged but some weren't, so I just don't really feel comfortable using them until they've been cleaned, which is another video I've been planning on doing as well, as a cleaning my makeup kit. I feel like I'm just kind of telling you guys all of my video ideas. I feel like a video idea video, like a video where I just go about those different video ideas as well, because I know a lot of people I know are actually struggling with video ideas. I feel like that was okay, but it's not the best coverage on the planet. I'm going to use my baking powder in the shade Sugar Cookie, and I'm going to apply that on underneath my eyes and everywhere I've applied concealer. I never know what brush to use this, because at the moment I do not have like all the brushes I'd normally have and use, so I'm like trying to improvise. So I'm going to use a beauty blender. I just need to get my room like fully finished, but with like everything going on with uni, I just don't have the time for it. I do really like applying with the beauty blender though. So I'm using my Real Techniques 201 powder brush to brush off the excess. So my go-to mascara would normally be the Primark £1 one, but I'm going to change it up today and use this Kiko one. This is the Standout Volume Mascara. I don't normally use Kiko products, but I kind of just thought I'd have a change today. So now I'm going to apply my contour. I'm going to start off with cream contour and then build up with the powder contour afterwards. And the cream contour that I'm using is this foundation contour stick, PS my favourite colour, my perfect colour. I think I got this from Primark again. So I'm just outlining my whole face with this. But I don't want to put too much on because I'll go orange. And I'm contouring like the sides of my nose. I'm gonna kind of leave my side, like my cheekbone contour to the end, because I've still got my baking powder on. And I'm just gonna blend this out. Contour has to be like one of my favourite products ever, but I really need to like get a new one, because this got 10% battery. That's not stressful at all. But yeah, this one's really good. The only issue is like it's a little bit too orange. So I need a new one, but I don't really want to get one until I can try shades out, and with Coronaville going on, it's not great. So I'm now going to brush away my excess powder from underneath of my eyes, and I'm going to get on with my cheek contour. Some to the tops of my cheekbones. So I'm now going to blend that in. And some of the other side. So I'm now going to go in my powder contour, just to kind of define that and go over it a little bit stronger. I'm using the Chisel Cheeks Contour Kit. Actually switch brushes. Here's my sculpting brush from Real Techniques for this one. I'm using the dark brown shade here, and I'm going to blend the light white here into it too, just kind of brighten up around the edges and help it blend in. So but I'm starting off with the darker shade. I actually talked about this palette quite a lot in my, I think it was my favourites of June, either that or my Super Sugar haul, but I'm pretty sure it's my June favourites video. And I really like the palette. It's actually really good. I don't think it was too expensive either. I bought it from Super Sugar not long ago, and it's really good. So I would recommend, but I do think that this shade here really isn't for me. It's more of a blush than a brown. It does say it's a brown and it's to bronze, but it really doesn't feel like a bronze to me. It's more of a blush. So yeah, if that's something you're into though. So I'm currently using the lighter shades kind of just to go around my contour to kind of blend it in a little bit better. Make it a bit less orange. So I'm now done with my contour and I'm going to go on with my highlight. I'm using this Earthy one and it's so pretty. This is what it looks like. I got it off Beauty Bay and it's really nice. It gives quite a delicate golden glow to this one. I'm going to be using this brush here. This is the Expert Face Brush from Real Techniques and it's 200. I'm just applying a small amount. I don't put too much on, but I just want a little golden shimmer. So that'll do for that there. Just do a little bit on the end of my nose, some on my chin. So I'm now going to go in and do a little bit on my eyes. I don't want to be too boring and do the same thing every time, but at the same time, I don't want to be too extra because I'm just not about that life. So I feel like I'm always doing like nude looks and like smoky eye looks. So I'm going to go for more of like a pinkish colour today. And I'm using these two palettes here. These are both from Revolution. This one is the Fierce Wild Animals palette and this one is the Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette. So I'm using these two. I'm going to go in with this quite a pale pastel pink shade here. And I just want to go in with that as like a base shade to start off with. So I'm going to try like do it so you guys can see me, but at the same time be able to see what I'm doing too. So I'm just going to go and use that as a base. It's going to be such a long video. So I'm now going to go in with this shade here, and this is like more of a coral shade and it's really pretty pinky orange. I'm now going to go in with a darker pink shade. I'm not really sure which one to go with because I'm not really that keen on many in the palette. I think I want to use like a different one. So I'm also going to use this palette here because there's a pink in there that I really want to use. This pink shade here, it's like similar to the coral one but it's a little bit darker. So I'm going to go to this shade here and I'm going to, this one called Vacay, which I think is so nice. I've never used it but it looks really nice. I'm absolutely in love with this shade here, which is called Tail Feather. It's like a cerise, but like a more purple cerise. So I'm going to go in with that and blend out into the outer corner. So I'm really liking that shade, but I think I'm going to go in with a darker purple now for the very outer corner of my eye. And the one I'm going to use is this one here, and it's called Adventure, and I think it's a really nice shade. I'm going with the purple to kind of finish it off. This is what my eyes look like now, and I'm going to leave it at that because I just want it to be kind of like a nice soft pinky purpley shade. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That is all for today. I want it to be kind of a simple look and not too much detail. Make sure you like, subscribe and drop me a comment down below if you enjoyed this video and other videos you'd like to see in the future. And that is it for me today, so I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.